Hey, I'm Aubrey from Aubrey Originals. Cricut came out with a new digital mystery box a couple days ago, a Warner Bros. Discovery Looney Tunes box. And since a lot of you seemed to really like my last reveal video, I went ahead and bought this box so I could show you all the images inside this one too. You're welcome. And also, I'm not that heartbroken about it because these images are adorable and I'm sure I will find lots of uses for them. I really appreciate your feedback, so please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more of these videos. This box was released March 25th. At least that's when I first noticed it show up on Cricut's website. It'll be available for 4 weeks until about April 21st. It's $29.99, which is $10 cheaper than the last box, by the way, and you can get 10% off if you have an Access subscription. Remember that digital mystery boxes only contain digital images, so no physical items and no Cricut Cutie. I have some great blog posts on both kinds of Cricut mystery boxes, so I will link to those below in case you have any other questions. There are 4 image sets in this box. Feel free to screenshot this slide for later. There's the New to the Crew set with 50 images, Team Goals with 17 images, Chibi Infant with 35 images, and Infant set with 42 images. That's 144 total images, which brings each image to about 21 cents a piece, so this is a great deal, especially if you're a Looney Tunes fan. To purchase the mystery box, click the link below the video to go to Cricut.com. You'll see a small preview of images. Add this to your cart and purchase it. Then go to Design Space. You may have to sign out and back in so the images update. Then go to your canvas and the image library. Click on Image Sets and filter by Purchased. And you will see the image sets here. For me, they just showed up at the top. You can also search by the exact name or keyword for the image set you want and pull them up that way. Let's take a closer look now at the images you'll get in this mystery box. The first set is New to the Crew. This is a mix of cut images and cut and draw images. You could make some really fun coloring pages with those drawing images. There's some phrases in here that would also make for cute baby onesies. Next, we have Team Goals. I think this artwork style is adorable. I really like the pastel colors. I think these would be fun in print and cut projects. If you want to edit the colors, just remember to do so before flattening the images for print and cut. Our next set is Chibi Infant. I love this set. The whole gang is here. I especially love those Tweety birds and Roadrunners though. Last but not least, Looney Tunes Infant. This is probably my favorite set of the 4. How cute would these images be for baby onesies or baby shower decorations or a Looney Tunes birthday? I kind of want to make a banner with all these characters or maybe a larger than Matt project. Anyway, lots of possibilities for this digital mystery box. And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.